In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your PS5 is not connecting to the internet. I'll show you 3 different tricks, and at the end, 90% of the time it works. So let's get started with the easiest thing you can do. Okay, so take your controller and we're gonna turn off your PS5. Press the PS button, okay, and then navigate down below until you have selected the last option. Right over here, power, click power, then click on turn off PS5. Wait a few seconds until there's nothing on the screen. Then you're gonna go where your PS5 is plugged. Okay, this is my PS5 right here, and we're gonna unplug it. Wait about 3 minutes, do not plug it back, and after 3 minutes, go ahead and plug it back. Now power on your PS5. If this didn't work, let's go to the second tip. So you'll go right in the settings menu here. Once you're here, you're going to select network. From network, you're going to go down and select settings. Click on set up internet connection. And I'll suggest you connect your PS5 using a LAN cable directly to your router. Maybe the problem is the Wi-Fi itself, so I suggest you connect it using a cable, but we're not done yet. Once you have connected the cable, you should see it right over there. Once you highlight it, you're gonna press this button and you're gonna select Advanced Settings. And from here, where it's written primary DNS and secondary DNS, we need to change this. So click X. And for primary DNS, you need to type 8.8.8.8, okay? And then for secondary DNS, go ahead and type 8.8.4.4. Once you're done, press done and also press the OK button here. And after doing this, you should be good to go. Go back. You can even go in connection status and click test internet connection to see if your internet is back. Another quick tip, by the way, is to unplug your wireless router. So go ahead and do the same thing we did at first with the PS5. Simply unplug it from the wall, wait 3 minutes and plug it back. Many times I had issues with mine, and it's not the PS5, it's not your computer the problem, it's actually your internet router. And now for my last trick, if nothing worked for you till now, is, well, first we need to turn off your PS5 to do this trick. So let me go ahead and do the same thing. After pressing the PS button, click power and click turn off PS5. Okay, wait until there's nothing on the screen. We need to go on the console itself. And what we're gonna need to do is to press the power button, but keep it pressed until you hear a second beep. Okay, let me just demonstrate, it will make more sense. So I'm pressing and I'm not releasing the button until I hear a second beep. Okay, a second beep, now I can release it. Let's go on the screen. Next, take a USB cable. We'll need to connect the controller manually, like that. One here. Here, connect your controller to your PS5, press the PS button, and from here we need to go down in this menu, select number 6, clear cache, and now select number 1, clear system software cache. Okay, select this, press OK. It will not delete anything, don't worry. It just takes a few seconds. The console will power off by itself. Don't touch anything. It will power back on. And yeah, after it powers back on, you'll be able to try this out, and hopefully your internet will be back. Okay, it's back here. Press the PS button and go ahead, connect to your Wi-Fi network. I hope this was useful. If one of these tricks worked, please leave a comment down below, or if you have any other ones that was useful to you, please type it down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.